Welcome to NNK English Academy for the PGTERB preparation in English, Unit 5, Shakespeare's drama for the non-detailed study, Antony and Cleopatra. This is part 2 video. Most difficult questions and expected questions as well as the previous year questions we are covered in this video. More than 25 multiple choice questions with answer we are taken for the fast revision purpose. If you have any queries and comments, kindly to text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. This is part 2 video. Part 1 is also available in our YouTube channel. Kindly to go through it. We will enter into the text. Question number 1. Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra. Act 2, Scene 2 contains a famous speech about Cleopatra, which begins, "The barge she sat in like a burnished throne, burned on the water," which contains the line, "Age cannot wither, nor custom stale her infinite variety." Who makes this speech? The options are option A, Enobobus, option B, Lepidus, option C, Octavian, option D, Antony. Again, I will recite the question. Act 2, Scene 2 contains a famous speech about Cleopatra's, which begins, "The barge she sat in like a burnished throne, burned on the water," which contains the line, "Age cannot wither, nor a custom stale or infinite variety." Who makes this speech? The correct answer is option A, Enobobus. Next question of what does Cleopatra accuse Antony? The options are option A, treason, option B, disrespect, option C, lying, option D, theft. Of what does Cleopatra accuse Antony? The correct answer is option A, treason. Next question, what does the clown says is in the basket which contains Cleopatra's asp? The options are option A, figs, option B, oranges, option C, olives, option D, grapes. What does the clown says is in the basket which contains Cleopatra's asp? The correct answer is option A, figs. Next question, how many times is Antony defeated at sea? The options are option A, 3 times, option B, once, option C, twice, option D, never. How many times is Antony defeated at sea? The correct answer is option C, twice. Next question, the observation, "Age cannot wither her," about Cleopatra as made by dash. The options are option A, Enobobus, option B, Antony, option C, Octavius, option D, Lepidus. The observation, "Age cannot wither her," about Cleopatra as made by dash. The answer is option A, Enobobus. Next question, which of the following falls into the group of Roman plays in plays of Shakespeare? Option A, Antony and Cleopatra, option B, Henry IV Part 1, option C, Richard II, option D, Merchant of Venice. Which of the following falls into the group of Romans play of Shakespeare's? The correct answer is option A, Antony and Cleopatra. Next question, Cleopatra takes refuge in her dash. The options are option A, monument, option B, cave, option C, palace, option D, attendant's house. Cleopatra takes refuge in her dash. The correct answer is option A, monument. Next question, come, thou mortal wretch, with thy sharp teeth, this not instigate of life at once until poor venomous fool be angry and dispatch. The phrase mortal wretch refers to dash. The options are option A, an asp. Option B, a mole. Option C, a seagull. Option D, a falcon. The correct answer is option A, an asp. Next question. What character besides Cleopatra dies by the bite of an asp? The options are option A, Hieras. Option B, Demetrius. Option C, Dolabello. Option D, Charmian. Again, which character besides Cleopatra dies by the bite of an asp? The options are option A, Hieras. Option B, Demetrius. Option C, Dolabello. Option D, Charmian. The correct answer is option D, Charmian. Next question. What is one of the soothsayer predictions to Charmian? The options are option A, that she will meet her death in the tomb. Option B, that she will be killed by a snake bite. Option C, that she will be enslaved by the Romans. Option D, that she will outlive her mistress. What is one of the soothsayers' prediction to Charmian? The correct answer is option D, that she will outlive her mistress. Next question. Where did Antony first meet Cleopatra? The options are option A, River Cynthus. Option B, River Nile. Option C, Alexandria. Option D, Rome. Where did Antony first meet Cleopatra? The correct answer is option A, River Cynthus. Next question. Which gold left Antony as a mark of his defeat? The options are option A, Hercules. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Mars. Option D, Zeus. Which god left Antony as a mark of his defeat? The correct answer is option A, Hercules. Next question. From early in this play, it is clear that the Romans dash. The options are option A, generally dislike the queen. Option B, are mesmerized by Cleopatra's unworldly physical beauty. Option C, believe Cleopatra is the greatest power in the world. Option D, want to see the queen married to be the commoner. From early in the play, it is clear that the Romans dash. The correct answer is option A, generally dislike the queen. Next question. The central theme of Antony and Cleopatra is dash. The options are option A, lover versus war. Option B, family above all else. Option C, romance and politics can mix successfully. Option D, war is won through the death of dreams. The central theme of Antony and Cleopatra is dash. The correct answer is option A, lover versus war. Next question. What is the green sickness as Enobobus refers to this play? It is a famous question. Green sickness. Okay, this is a new term coined by the great one and one, the William Shakespeare. Okay, the man, he refers these words in his play Antony and Cleopatra. What is the green sickness? Okay, has Enobobus refers to this play. The options are option A, pure envy. Option B, the giddy feeling girls feel when they think they are in love. Option C, the after effects of overindulgence of the banquet, full of food and drink. The pain suffered from the bite of an asp. What is a green sickness as Enobobus refers to this play? The correct answer is option C, the after effects of an overindulgence at the banquet, full of food and drink. Next question. Who of the following was not among the Cleopatra's attendants? The options are option A, Alexis. Option B, Charmian. Option C, Fulvia. Option D, Who of the following was not among Cleopatra's attendants? The correct answer is option C, Fulvia. Next question. Who says kingdoms are clay or dungy earth alike feeds beast as a man? Who says kingdoms are clay or dungy earth alike feeds beast as man? The options are option A, Soothsayer, option B, Cleopatra, option C, Antony, option D, Thyrsis. The correct answer is option C, Antony. Next question. Who or what is a eunuch found in Antony and Cleopatra? The options are option A diseased lover brought back as a ghost. Option B, a young female selected to dance like a boy on stage. Option C, a male castrated to the serve as a domestic. Option D, a Roman court jester with the special powers. The correct answer is option C, a male castrated to a slave as a domestic. Next question. Antony and Cleopatra was written in dash. The options are option E 1604, option B 1607, option C 1725, option D 1606. Antony and Cleopatra was written in dash. The correct answer is option B 1604. Next question. Lepidus is dash. It is very simple. Lepidus is dash. The options are option A, the most powerful Roman. Option B, the weakest of the Tremors. Option C, one of the Antony's trusted advisor. Option D, a helper of the Tremors. Lepidus is dash. The correct answer is option B. The weakest of the Tremors is Lepidus. Thanks for watching NNK English Academy. Kindly to subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Always welcome your valuable suggestion and queries. If you have anything, kindly to text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.